Good afternoon. I just wanted to show you guys how to add and check and add your post tests. We're having a lot of issues with these not being on there right now, so please need to recruit your help with adding this post test. And I'm saying post test for a reason because all your teachers don't teach EOC courses. Post test, this is actually what you do to add, find your class. You can use search by the number or however you normally would do to actually search the class for your teachers. Go ahead and select the class itself because typically it comes back look like this. Select the class itself. This is what first semester looked like. All you did was add the slow pre and the slow post test. If you check the second semester, it needs to look just like the first semester. If it doesn't, you can go ahead and add it by selecting new, selecting test value, find your test in this list. Once you find that test, and I'm just scrolling down for world world literature and composition post test 2. There it is. Select, put a start date. I would go ahead and select the start date of, let's just put the 13th so we have some room in between. And for the end date, let's go ahead and put the end of the month, the 30th. Actually, let's put June 1st, just so we can have some space and make sure we get this done right. It's just don't worry about it. Just put the 13th and the 1st. Don't worry about that. Select save and then keep it moving. Check all your teachers that way, and we can alleviate this headache that's happened this past 24 hours, and hopefully help with some. I'll get back with you on the EOC in a second. Have a great day, y'all.